The opposition India bloc plans to bring adjournment motions on the NEET row in both houses of the parliament today. The decision was taken at the meeting that was held at Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge's residence, and according to sources, the government too is ready to answer every question from the opposition. Now, in that meeting of the leaders of India Party at the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge's residence, the leaders decided to give notice in the Rajya Sabha as well as the Lok Sabha, demanding a discussion on the issue. We have Maria joining us. Maria, after we heard yesterday Draupadi Murmu, the president, saying that the government is committed to a fair investigation. From our sources, what we're hearing is that the government's all ready to answer all questions that might crop up today in both the houses regarding the NEET controversy.
Yes, that's right. But what we will be witnessing, united opposition, the United India bloc, which is all set to raise questions on political accountability. And, the fact is that paper leak has happened of NEET, but it doesn't stop really at NEET. There has been paper leak incidents being reported from all across India of various public exams. So there is a concern largely of the youth of the country, before which they will be holding the government accountable. The government on its part, that is the Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, is all prepared to answer the steps that have been taken by the government in recent days, which includes a high-powered committee which has started its meetings and interactions with the various stakeholders as to how there can be structural changes, what else can be done with the National Testing Agency to make it to make the entire examination process a transparent one. But having said that, I think the opposition has made up its mind that it doesn't really stop at the sacking of the National Testing Agency Director General, that there has to be also political accountability which has to be fixed. And that is where the situation becomes tricky. We'll have to wait and see as to what the government stand on that particular count will be. But their stand is essentially that the National Testing Agency as a body, as an institution, has been a thought process of multiple Congress governments. So it didn't really crop up, in the last 10 years of the Modi government. Although they had the guts, as the government sources are saying, they had the power because of the strength that they enjoyed to really implement the reforms that were proposed. So certainly, as far as that issue is concerned, that is going to be the central piece. But the discussion on motion of thanks will begin in the Lok Sabha as well, with Anurag Thakur initiating it, which will be seconded by Bansuri Swaraj of the BJP.
Right. So all eyes on what's really going to happen in both the houses of the parliament today. Maria, we will keep coming back to you for more on that. Thank you so much for joining us.